Perfect. How does a sixth density being see everything as perfect in third density when there is love and joy, but also pain and suffering here? From the sixth density viewpoint, a sixth density being perceives unity of opposites. They exist in consciousness where love and wisdom are fully integrated, where the apparent dualities of good, evil, joy, suffering, creation, destruction are understood as polarities within one whole process. From that perspective, everything is seen as perfect not because everything is pleasant or painless, but because everything serves the evolution of consciousness. Pain and suffering in third density are not mistakes. They are catalysts, experiences that offer opportunities for growth, empathy, and self-realization. What looks like chaos or injustice from a limited viewpoint is, from an expanded awareness, part of a larger balance that ultimately leads every being towards remembrance of unity. In third density, we are immersed in veiled consciousness where duality is experienced as real. We feel pain and pleasure, good and evil, separation and love. This veil makes choice meaningful. It is the arena where we polarize towards service to others or service to self. Because our perspective is local and personal, pain feels wrong. And yet, from the sixth density view, that very perception, the compassion we feel, the yearning for healing, is the seed of divine realization that will eventually lead to unity consciousness. How perfection includes suffering. A sixth density being might see third density as perfect in this sense. Every moment, even the darkest, is an exact reflection of the collective and individual lessons chosen for evolution. Suffering is temporary and instructive. It brings forth wisdom, empathy, and a deeper knowing of love. Perfection doesn't mean nothing should change. It means everything is unfolding precisely as needed for awakening. In the same way a teacher might see a student's difficult test as perfectly designed for their growth, a sixth density consciousness sees our world's trials as part of the curriculum of love and wisdom. In short, a sixth density being sees there is no true disharmony, only experiences that seem separate until love and wisdom illuminate their unity. Pain is not denied, it is honored as part of the tapestry of becoming. That's how perfection can coexist with suffering. Hope you enjoyed this lesson on how a sixth density being sees that everything is perfect here in third density. God bless all beings.